Watching some dirt bike videos in the background there. This is December 27th. Putting in these GripStuds. Just push down a little bit hard so you don't start walking right away. I got my drills on 1, so it's a little bit torqueier. So I'm setting up there right in the middle of the lug and then putting a little bit of pressure on there. And then I'll get some kind of a pattern going here and update you later on. Usually about 150 to 200 per tire for just regular trail riding and woods riding is all I've found I've needed. Some people use more for ice and all that, but so we're going back through and just snugging these down a little bit. You can see that they're supposed to be about flush. The video I saw, the installation was, he was putting them to about right here at the tip of my thumb. But if you look right here on the packaging, it says prominence 6.8 millimeter. So that tells you right where you're supposed to bury it to in your rubber. So 6.8. They're only supposed to be buried up until that ridge. You can see right where that ridge is right here. The tool will penetrate into the rubber just a little bit. That little gap right there. So I just finished up the back wheel with the GripStuds. Just showing you the pattern that I went with here. It's not perfect, but not a perfect kind of a person here. It's all down to personal preference, how much traction you feel like you need and the pattern that you want. This back tire took me, if I were working briskly, maybe an hour max. But I stopped, took some breaks, took longer, but probably would take an hour per tire.
Negative 10, 12 Celsius, about 10 degrees Fahrenheit, Michigan, USA. Put on the GripStuds and the Force back Yeah.